It's common to hear people talk about adolescent brain development and how brains of these young people are not fully formed until mid to late 20s. But what does that mean? Dan Siegel is a prolific author and a psychiatrist, and he does a wonderful job explaining this. Here he is.
One of the most fascinating things about the brain is that whether you're an adolescent or an adult, what you do with your brain is actually shaped by what you do with your mind. That means how you focus attention and change the activation of certain areas of the brain that then changes the growth of structural connections in the brain. So to put it in very short terms, your mind can change your brain. Now, for any of us, whatever our age, this is crucial information to know. For adolescents, this becomes extremely important because during the adolescent period, the brain is remodeling itself. And it's a kind of use it or lose it principle. And if teens know about this, they're fascinated with it because they learn that they're empowered to actually sculpt the way this remodeling brain is going to change across the teenage years. What has been a surprise to researchers is that unlike in the first dozen years of life when the brain is accumulating more and more connections, once we get to the second dozen years of life, the period we call adolescence, which overlaps with the teen years, we've learned that the brain begins to cut away the connections that it established earlier on. And that's called pruning. Like when you go in a garden, you prune down some of the aspects of a tree that are growing or a bush. Now the pruning is followed by the establishment of more and more connections, increased linkages among those neurons, the basic cells of the brain that have remained. And that linkage of the remaining parts means the brain is laying down what's called myelin. So you get myelin formation, this wonderful sheet that makes the connection among neurons more effective and fast. And you get the pruning earlier on that makes the brain basically more specialized.
Thank you for watching this video. We publish new videos every week, so if you enjoy this sort of content, please like and subscribe to the channel.